Hey guys, today we have an unscripted video. So I just want to do a quick unboxing of this new Alpaka mystery pack drop. So I bought the cheapest one. They have 3 tiers and let me read the price out. The Trailblazer is $99, the Jet Setter is $149 and the Explorer is $199. I bought the cheapest one because I'm well aware that companies sometimes do this to get rid of old stock, slow moving stock, or for a lack of a better word, unwanted items. But with that being said, it's a risk I'm willing to take for $100 with free shipping, and whatever I get, I'm quite sure the product will be of good quality knowing Alpaka. So let's get straight into what I got. But first things first, this drawstring looking bag thing is also something that you can't get. And someone jokingly said in the Alpaka Facebook group that this alone is a collector's item. Alright, so I'm not even sure how many items we have inside. And I will tally the price up to see if it's actually $99. So we have 4 items here. The first one is the Elements tech case, which is a pretty big tech case, and I'm a very techie guy, so I can appreciate this. We have, this is the phone stand, I think, the one you attach to a loop or a zipper or something like that. And here in bright orange, we have the coin pouch, the coin zip pouch. That's pretty interesting. I've never been a very small EDC guy, so I've never thought of buying something like this. So getting it is quite interesting, especially since I just recently bought the Air Travel Pack 3 because I don't know, is it a midlife crisis? I'm thinking of doing this one bag travel thing starting now. So this can be a nice part of that setup. And the last thing that I have is the Arc Bifold wallet. Now my Bellride wallet has been serving me quite well. I also have one of those travel wallets from Alpaka, so this will be quite interesting. So knowing these 4 items, let me quickly tally up to see if it's more than $99, like how they suggested.
2 hours later.
Alright, I've tallied it up. Let me announce the price one by one. So the Bifold wallet is $49 and the tech case is $79, which already is above the $99 price tag. This nano phone stand thing is actually $19. And last but not least, the zip pouch coin is $39, which brings the total to $186. So it's almost double the value. Okay, let's just take a look at the items individually. This one, like I said just now, tie it around your zipper and pull it out here. And yeah, you just open it up to become a portable phone stand. Really handy. I have the Moth wallet at the back that is a permanent wallet / phone stand, so I don't need it, but it's so small, just leave it on your zipper and maybe not for you, maybe for someone else. And now let's check out the zip pouch coin. What is this color called? It's written as hot something. Hot orange. It's so striking. Alright, we have, I think this is usually where people put their knives, and this is like a pen or something like that. And you have this magnetic pouch. So I guess this is where you put your coins or whatever else. And inside here is just one big compartment. I like the contrasting color. Inside is gray if you can see it. If you can see it. And on the outside is orange. This color, I think, is really nice for something important. I might use it as a small medical kit for my one bag travel midlife crisis setup. Let's check out the Arc Bifold wallet next. I'm not really sure what's the key selling point for this product. Let's find out. Okay, so it's in green. The inside is orange. Love the orange, especially on the inside, because the contrast is it just makes things easier to be seen. And yeah, it's a sturdy build quality. It's definitely a fabric, but it's sturdy, that's what I can say. And you have 1, 2 card compartments, more on this side with a pull tab, so you can put some cards inside. Use this to pull it out. Just one compartment here, maybe for money, folded money. I don't know, because you have the main compartment here for money. But yeah, I like how thin it is. Probably just as thin as my Bellroy wallet, but you know, the leather wallets, they die off every 3-4 years or so. So this is good to just have as a standby. Yeah, I like it. Really, really sturdy. Feels like this will last much longer than my leather wallet. Last but not least, we have the Element Stack case, and I saw the picture just now. This Element Stack case can even be used as a sling because there's a strap, so I'm not sure if that's included. Let's find out. I have a lot of Alpaka slings because, you know, we work on some projects together. So I would rather use this as what do you call that? A tech case. And I just realized this is actually the X-Pack version. So you can see the material is the lighter material that's also water resistant. Of course, you have your EcoGuard zippers here. Ah, there you go. You have the strap. It comes together and the inside is orange, just how I like the contrast. So I can use this both as a tech pouch or a sling. You have your luggage pass-through or holding it like that. On the outside, there's nothing else. There's a loop here. I'm not sure what's that for. Maybe the stabilizer. I've never been a fan of those. You know, you wear a sling like this and you have a cross one to use as the stabilizer. Yeah, that's not something I've ever been interested in. So, okay, I realized that it opens very wide. And we're seeing this both for the first time. Nice. You have 1 zipper, 2, 3, zipper, 4. More compartments inside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Main compartment. 9, 10. 10 compartments that I could count, I might be wrong. And you have this stylus slash pen holder thing. This is nice. But for my one bag travel setup, this might be too big because, you know, when you have just one bag to carry everything, you need a really small tech case because essentially you just need a few cables, wall charger, travel adapter, and that's about it. Or in my case, I have, what do you call that, Apple Watch charger. But yeah, this is really nice. And what was the value just now? It was 186 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 186. I think it's well worth the price. I paid $99 for it, free shipping. I'm very surprised it came in like 2 days. And I'm also very happy that they're not throwing me random items that are discontinued or very unwanted or comes in some ridiculous colors, because I know this comes in some colors that I would never purchase, like pink if I'm not mistaken. This orange is really nice. I think I like this the most because I want to use this as a small medical kit to put in like plasters, bandages, some medicine like antihistamine, Panadol, paracetamol, stuff like that. This is really good. Easy to be spotted. And next would be this wallet. I don't have a use for it now, but once my Bellroy wallet does, this is a really nice alternative. I like it. Super thin. Yeah. Made from high quality weatherproof fabrics. Even better. And I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. This is quite random. It's so small, but it retails for $19. I'll just keep it. And this one, you know, it's the most expensive out of the whole batch. But as someone who has so many Alpaka products and tech cases and slings and whatnot, I'm not sure how I'll use this yet, but I'm happy that I have it. It's $79 retail, and it's a good quality bag. You can use it as a tech case, a sling, super multifunctional. Yeah, I just don't have a use case for it. Anyway, I think that's enough yapping for now. That's it for this short video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got for my $99, what do you call this? Trailblazer mystery pack. Because some of you were really concerned about what nonsense you might get in this pack. So I'm very happy with what I got for the cheapest pack. You have the $149 and the $199. I think you guys will be getting way better items. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!